Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through a super creative way to make your own coloring pages using Canva. Whether you're looking to make beautiful printable designs for your kids, or you're interested in low-content book publishing on platforms like Amazon KDP, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create, customize, and download professional-looking coloring sheets, all without having to be a pro designer. Let's jump right in. First things first, go to canva.com. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, signing up only takes a minute and it's totally free for basic features, which is all you'll need for this project. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button, usually sitting pretty at the top right corner of your dashboard. Click that and you'll see a search bar pop up. Now here's a helpful pro tip: type book into the search. Why? Because this will pull up a variety of book-sized templates, like 8.5 by 11 inches, the classic size for coloring books. Choosing the right format at the start means your pages will look polished and will be super easy to print or upload to marketplaces later. Go ahead and pick your preferred size to open up a fresh canvas. Now comes the fun part: decorating your page with borders. Think of borders as a little frame for your artwork. They help every design look more complete and visually pleasing. On the left side of Canva, find the Elements tab and click into it. Type border into the search box. Take your time scrolling through the options. You'll find all kinds of styles, everything from playful doodles to elegant flourishes. Just drag and drop one onto your page and use the corner handles to resize it so it fits nicely around the edge. If you want your coloring pages to really pop, try sticking to black and white designs. These print cleanly and leave lots of space for coloring. Alright, so our border is set. Now let's add some unique, coloring-friendly art in the middle. Here's a cool trick. We're going to use ChatGPT to help generate simple animal drawings that are perfect for coloring. Switch over to chat.com and make sure you're logged in. If you don't have an account, don't worry, it's free to sign up and you'll need access to get the drawing prompts we're after. Once you're in, ask ChatGPT something like, "Can you create a basic black and white line drawing of a cute animal for coloring?" The key is to specify line art, so the results are perfect for coloring pages, just outlines, no shades or colors. When you get your AI-generated design, go ahead and copy it. This might be an SVG code or a simple downloadable image, depending on what's provided. Back in Canva, simply paste or upload the image right onto your canvas. Adjust the size, center it up, and make sure it sits comfortably within your border. If you want to get creative, you can blend in multiple ChatGPT-created designs, maybe a little group of woodland animals or a safari scene, whatever fits your theme. So there you have it. Just like that, your custom coloring sheet is coming together. If this is your first go, don't worry if moving elements around takes a few tries. Canva is super forgiving and you can always hit undo if you make a mistake. When you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to finalize your project. Head up to the top of the page and click the Share button, then choose Download. I recommend sticking with PDF print or high-res PNG for clear, crisp coloring pages, especially if you're planning to sell or print them. And that's it, you've created your own coloring page ready for kids, classrooms, or publishing on your favorite platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative how-tos. Drop any questions you have in the comments. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help you out. Thanks for watching and happy designing.